Hello, welcome back. And right now we're going to focus on CSS Border. And so to do that, we want to show you there are various properties for the border. And one of them is the style, the color, and the width. So these are the three major properties, and we're going to use these existing examples to illustrate that. And so to do that, we're going to say border. So the first thing I want to say is border width. And so I'll say 2 pixels. Another thing I want to show you is border style. Border style. Okay, so I'm going to call this solid. We're going to explore this in a bit, but I need to do it like this so that you can see. Another I want to show you is border color. Let's say I'll call this black. Now let's go ahead and look at what this box now looks like with the border. So you see the border is the line. The border is the lining. Okay. Now you can increase the size. You can change the color of the outside. You can increase the size. Let's go ahead and give this 10 pixels. Let's see what it looks like. So you see that tick. So let me go back to what during the explanation of the box model. Now this content area has a height. This box has a height. The margin outside that you're not seeing has a height. So let's assume this is 100 and this is 10. And the box outside is 10. So it's going to take the total of all of them. So I just needed to point that out again. Okay. Now for so we have 3 properties here. We have the style, we have the color, then we have the width, we have the color. So I want to emphasize more on the style. And so there are other kind of style. There is the dotted. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Then there is the dashed. Let's see what it looks like. So there are several of them. There is the groove. There is the groove. Sorry, let me close this. And so groove. Okay, so and now what I want to show is there is the ridge. Let's see how ridge is. Why is it not showing me anything? Okay, so I don't know why it's not. Maybe so you can go ahead and try that on your own. Let me also try this insets. Let me know why it's not. Let me see. And so the text editor is even suggesting it. So let's see. Let me change this to 1 pixel. Let me see if it will show. Okay. So go ahead and try insets on your own. I'll take them and find out why it's not. So there is a groove, and there is the ridge, and then there's the inset, and there's the out, set. Go ahead and try it. If it works on your screen, on your browser, you let me know. Then of course we have seen the solid. That's the first one we did. That is the dashed. And if you don't want to have anything, you can put none, or you can use hidden. And so that's it about now. Another thing I want to show you is the shorthand for it. Do I always have to write all of them? No, you just use the border and say 1 pixels, for instance, or let me say 5 pixels, space. Let's say I will say solid, then I will say red. Okay, so you see, so you can actually use shorthand to do that. So one more thing I want to show us, which is very important, is called the border. So the border has a lot of properties. You can explore them. Before I do that, let me let you know something. You can actually do border for the 4 corners, just like we did for the margin. You can say border left. I can say 20 pixels. So I can even say border left, border left style. Do you get? I can say dotted. Let's see what we get there. So you see, it brings it to the corner alone. So you can actually style individual corners, you know. And so, like I said, I want to show us something called the border radius, which you'll be using a lot. So you see border radius. So border radius has to do with the roundness of this edge, the roundness. You want to make it curve. So I'm going to go ahead and put 20 pixels. That should so if you are creative, you can do a lot of things with this. So you see the edges are, I'm going to go ahead and add that. I will give it 50, so they can give me a very round, nice curve. So you see that. And so with this, you can do a lot of things. All right, you can do a lot of things. You can even add image as border, where you select the URL as usual. Let me try and say, I hope this goes well. I'm not sure about this, but let me check. So let me remove the border radius and see if the arrow shows. Okay, so I'm seeing a tiny edge here, but you can go ahead and use any image around that and see for yourself. Okay, and so that's it about let me see. All right, that's it about border. Go ahead and type border and explore a lot of all the features, border collapse, border spacing. And so go ahead and play around it. You should be able to master a lot of skills, and that's it about the box model. So we are about to go over to the advanced part of CSS, where we'll be diving into other things that has to do with styling your web page. It's been a nice time having you today. See you in the next section, CSS Advanced.